What's up guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made these heart door corner decorations using my Cricut Maker. And you can get this SVG file using the link in this video's description. I'm using this heavy chipboard, and if I were to do this project again, I'd probably use the basswood instead, and I'll show you why later in the video. First, upload the file in Design Space. I ungrouped the image and increased the size of each heart to 9 by 9, but you can make it smaller or larger than that. I would highly recommend doing a test cut with paper or cardstock first, just to make sure that the size is going to work for you. Once I was satisfied with the size, then I am ready to cut on the chipboard. Once I had my images cut, I spread a thin layer of Mod Podge on it and applied my glitter. I waited for that to dry and gave it one more thin layer of Mod Podge and glitter. You don't have to use glitter. You can use vinyl, cardstock, or simply paint it. While it was drying, I noticed that the chipboard became a little warped because of the Mod Podge. But since I love the look of glitter and would probably use glitter again in the future, I'd go with using the basswood instead of the chipboard for this project. Once it was dry, I set a heavy object on top and let that sit there for about 30 minutes, and it flattened back out. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.